Let's learn about weather instruments. Before you start your activities, you need to know the following things. You will learn about 6 weather tools in this presentation. Be sure to take great notes in your science journal as you will have a pop quiz at the end. This presentation will also help you with your week 2 discussion question in Blackboard. The first weather tool that we will talk about is the rain gauge. A rain gauge is a type of weather instrument used by meteorologists that measures the amount of rainfall or precipitation. Most rain gauges generally measure the precipitation in millimeters. Here is a picture of a rain gauge. A thermometer is a weather tool that measures temperature. The temperature tells how hot or cold it is. Thermometers measure in either degrees, Fahrenheit, or Celsius. The thermometer is our second weather tool. A barometer is a weather instrument that is used to measure air pressure or atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is the weight of air pushing on the Earth's atmosphere. Think about a barbell and weightlifting. The bar equals the weight of air. A barometer is used to measure air pressure. A wind vane is also called a weather vane. A wind vane is a tool for measuring wind direction. It spins on a rod and points in the direction from which the wind is blowing. Look to see if you see any wind vanes on the top of buildings. An anemometer is a device for measuring wind speed. The speed with which the cups rotate indicates the wind speed. It is one of the instruments used in a weather station. Think anemometer equals how fast wind is moving. Our sixth and final weather tool is the hygrometer. Hygrometers measure the humidity in the air. The humidity is the moisture content or water vapors in the air. Think H equals humidity and H equals hygrometer. Now it's time. Let's see how well you have paid attention and what you have learned. The following slides will allow you to quiz yourself. Good luck! Ambria wants to measure the amount of moisture in the air. She does not want the water in the air to mess up her hair. What weather tool should she use? If you said a hygrometer, you are absolutely correct. Good job. Next question. Mrs. Jewell plans to go out over the weekend on her new sailboat. First, she must know how fast the wind is blowing to see if it's appropriate to sail. What instrument should she use? If you said an anemometer, you are absolutely right. Good job. Let's see how well you do on this question. Mrs. Grace wants to make sure that she dresses her children appropriately before they go outside. In order for her to know the temperature outside, what weather tool should she use? If you said a thermometer, oh, you are brilliant. Okay, you're doing good. Here's your next question. Coach Rambo just bought a brand new kite and he is anxious to fly it. Before he flies it, he must be aware of the direction of the wind. What instrument should he use? If you said a wind vane or a weather vane, you are absolutely correct. Good job. Okay, you're almost there. Listen to this question. The meteorologist on Channel 2 News observed some cumulonimbus clouds outside. He believes that there is low air pressure. What weather tool should he use to determine if he is right? If your answer was a barometer, oh, you are a genius. This is the last question on the pop quiz, and I believe you can get it right. Here we go. Davion is working on his science fair project. He plans to measure the amount of rainfall that has fallen in his neighborhood over the past 2 weeks. What instrument should he use? If you said a rain gauge, oh, you are at the top of the class. Great job. Congratulations, you made it. Great effort on that pop quiz. I hope you got them all right. If not, make sure you choose a weather instrument book from the Media Center to read more about weather instruments. Keep up the good work. In conclusion, we have just learned about 6 tools that you can use to measure different aspects of weather. Be sure to remember what you learned and review your notes so that you can complete the discussion question for week 2 in Blackboard. Good luck!